Hey superstar, hope you're doing amazing. This is Mark from Ivy Leads, and today I'm going to show you another CRM tutorial that will, help you take your business to the next level. Now, particularly, we're going to talk about what is XML and how are you going to use that to your advantage. Now, you can search, more information on Google about XML, but, XML stands for extensible markup language, and it's the same process that I'm doing now. Like if you want your websites or your blog sites to be more searchable in Google, in Yahoo, like what I'm doing right now, then you want to have an XML sitemap to your website. Like for example, I'm gonna type in you know ChatGPT, for example, and you have a blog post regarding ChatGPT. If you have an XML sitemap, then it allows your blog site to be able to be more searchable, and it goes on top of the search result. Now I'm going to show you this is an easy process that you can do in your CRM. First step is to log into your dashboard and then go to settings and scroll down and go to domain. Now you can use this for other sites that you have or landing pages, as long as you want those pages to be searchable. Now I don't advise you to use this on your thank you page when somebody opts into your newsletter or purchase your product, because you don't want that to be searchable in Google. It's kind of like a page for somebody that pays a subscription, right? But you can decide whatever page you want to use, but typically this is for blog sites, your welcome page, your funnel, so you can be more searchable in the web space. Now in the domain, just find the domain where you can find that specific page that you have, for example this one, and then click on XML sitemap, right? Once you click that, then you can select the actual landing page or website or funnel that you have. Let's say our blog post, right? We want to create an XML sitemap for that. Now, once you're done ticking that box, click on proceed, and then in here, click on add new. And then once you're done, click on generate and save. And that's it. You already have created an XML sitemap for that particular page and domain, you know, and it says here it's meant for consumption by search engines. Now it's going to allow, search engines like Google or Yahoo to read your blog posts, you know, deeper and, more accessible, just so when somebody uses a keyword that you have on that blog, it increases the searchability of that page or whatever page you use in the search engine, right? So it's gonna help you get more visibility in the online space, right? So just make sure to do that super simple step. You don't have to do anything else apart from that, and you can choose the exact page that you want to use this. All right. If you have any questions regarding this, let us know. Feel free to research more about XML sitemap. It really is a great topic if you want to master the power, of website or blog posting in the internet. All right. Take care and see you on the next video.